Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up free shipping on Ecwid. The first thing you want to do once on your Ecwid dashboard, as you can see right here, you are going to go over to the menu option on the left hand corner, and from here you are going to select catalogs. Then you are going to tap on products. After you have selected products, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you can select the product that you would like to offer free shipping on. So for example, I've selected that product. Then you are going to tap on shipping and pickup right here, and from here you are going to scroll down and you will see the option free shipping. You will simply tap on that. Then you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.